and to the second clip dedicated to light. In the first one, with the help of this life jacket, I tried to make you realize that unless we look directly at an object, the light it emits is completely invisible. I will use something visible so you can clearly see my point. Today, I will talk about the speed of ball. Speed of ball. When the ball is on the ground, it has no speed. But if I pick it up and I throw it, I can give it speed. One throw, one speed. But the movement of the ball is not only made of its speed, it is also made of its trajectory. Movement is always made of speed and trajectory. Without speed, there is no trajectory. Without a trajectory, there is no speed. Without either one, there is no movement at all. We hear a lot about the speed of light. So that must mean that there is a movement to light. And if there is a movement to light, it also means that there should be a trajectory to light. We will come back to that pretty soon. Back to the ball. Speed of ball. When I throw the ball, the throw is the source of its movement. The throw is the source of its speed and of its trajectory. They are inseparable. If the speed comes from somewhere, the trajectory doesn't come from somewhere else. They always have the same source. If I miss my throw, the rule will not change. In this case, what causes the movement of the ball is gravity. Gravity takes care of the speed and the trajectory of the ball. Again, with gravity, the speed and the trajectory of the ball have the same source. They are inseparable. Speed of ball. Let's try something different. Now I tied a string to the ball. And what I will do, I will use a drawing action and I will draw the ball to see if the rule is consistent. It still works. The drawing action gives movement to the ball, it gives speed, and takes care of the trajectory. They are inseparable. Speed of ball. With a drawing action, I can produce a very interesting pattern. Look. If I stay in the same position, drawing the ball with a string from different places will always bring the movement of the ball towards me. Of course. So it doesn't matter where the ball starts from. If I draw, the speed and the trajectory will bring the ball in my direction. Again, with a drawing force, the speed and the trajectory of the ball have the same source. They are inseparable. Now it's time to go back to light, but we'll wait until it's dark. See you tonight. In the meantime, don't forget. Speed of ball. I'm back and it's dark. Do you remember when I drew the ball with a string that the movement of the ball always ended up exactly where I was? With my drawing actions, I ended up being the destination of the movements I produced. I ended up being the destination of the trajectories and speeds of the ball, regardless of where the movement started from. With my drawing action, I was the destination of the movements I produce. This is always what a drawing force does. A drawing force is always itself the destination of the movements it produces. Think about it. Now, if you can, I want you to look at the reflections of light on the surface of the water. You will see the exact same pattern. You will see that you are the destination of all the trajectories of all the reflections. Since we are all individually the destination of the reflections we see, that tells me that the organ of sight has a drawing power able to determine the trajectory of brightness. What does that tell you? Aren't trajectory and speed inseparable and always belonging to the same movement? The speed of light may be a myth. It may be the speed of visual perception that has the power to draw brightness in its direction very quickly. But visual perception also has the power to draw darkness, and at the same speed. What do you think? Did you ever hear about the speed of darkness? Soon we will be back and we'll talk about that drawing force. In the meantime, have a nice reflection. I'm in the middle of my backyard. Check that out. With the speed of my visual awareness, I'm gonna make the sun's reflection follow me. See what I mean?